Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the spill-safe shelf in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new spill-safe shelf. This spill-safe shelf is located in the middle of the fresh food section. The main reason to replace the spill-safe shelf is if it's cracked or broken and won't stay in place or hold the meat pan. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. Next, I'm going to pull out the meat pan. It's a little tricky. I'm going to pull it out until it stops. Then I'm going to the back of this meat pan and I'm going to push up the rear end and we're going to slide it out. And now we can pull out the shelf straight out and lift up. This is the old spill-safe shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, I'm going to slide a new shelf in. Our goal is to place it in this opening at the back, and then I'm going to slide it in. And now I'm going to slide this meat pan in, put it on the rails. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.